how to find the IMEI number on the iPhone 16 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. From the home screen, tap on Settings. Then in the Settings page, we scroll down and then tap on General. After that, tap on About. Then scroll down, and in here, you will be able to find the IMEI number. You can touch and hold onto that, and then tap on Copy, and that will allow you to copy the IMEI number onto the clipboard. Another way to find the IMEI number is to use the phone app. So from the home screen, open up the phone app. Then you dial asterisk hash or the pound key and then 06 and then the pound key and then asterisk. So here it's showing the information already. So let's try it again. So the asterisk, the pound key 06 and then the pound key, and that is all you need. And it will now shows the IMEI number 1 and IMEI number 2, and that's it. Finally, you can swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.